Picture a quiet study in Vienna, back in 1935. A curious black and white cat sits by a mysterious box, while Professor Schrodinger sets a ticking timer. He explains to a wide-eyed child, "Inside this box, we've placed a cat, a tiny drop of poison, and a special atom that sometimes breaks apart, and sometimes it doesn't. If the atom breaks apart, the poison is released. If not, the cat stays safe." The strange part is, until someone actually opens the box, the cat is both alive and not alive at the same time. The child stares, puzzled and amazed. How can something be two things at once? Schrodinger smiles gently. That's how quantum physics works. Things can exist in many possibilities until we look. As the timer rings, the child lifts the lid. The cat jumps out, perfectly fine. Quantum ideas are weird, but they help us understand computers, atoms, and even the universe itself.